Okay, so we will not wait much. I will let them join. So since Sheetal ma'am you joined in, so let us start. So and I am recording the session, so they can refer the recording later. Okay. So now we see that what exactly the one stroke painting is. I have some samples with me for one stroke painting. So in the one stroke painting, we usually create floral pattern or birds with one stroke. It means we don't need to sketch much. Just with the help of the brush strokes only, we can create beautiful patterns. Okay, so these are few examples uh,
Okay.
of the one stroke painting that I have done. This is morning glory flower. This is champa. So this we will be learning this in the sessions to discuss flower. These patterns are done with the flat brush strokes. This will cover in the advanced session if needed. So this we can cover. So these are few examples of one stroke painting.
Okay.
And these floral patterns we are going to learn. Like these all we will be learning. All those patterns.
Can we make this white one?
Yes, we will do it. This will be like tomorrow we will learn hibiscus prayer with the liner strokes. So these are called
Oh,
liner strokes and we will learn this. Okay. This is hibiscus. This is daisy. So this daisy flower, this pattern, this all we are going to learn in our basic session. Okay.
okay.
This is little difficult. Like to learn this, we need to learn how the flat brushes are used. So once we do the flat brush strokes, this I do not cover in the basic course. Maybe in the advanced, if someone wants to do, we can cover this. The flat brush strokes are little difficult and it requires little more practice. This the round brush strokes will be easy and everyone can do it. So let us start. There are few examples, like I have done lots of practice, so many examples are there, but let us start on it. So we will do very basic stroke first, starting with a very simple one today. And we will learn from like how to hold the brush, how to load the brush, like starting from the very beginning. So first thing first, how we will hold the brush. This is my brush. This is how I hold my pencil, correct? And if I push my brush like this, so this is how
Ma'am, which number is this? Which number is this?
this is 8 number brush, but I'm just giving you an example. Like I have picked up any brush randomly. So this is how I hold my pencil, correct? And if I need to hold brush for one stroke painting, it needs to be like this. 100% 90-degree perpendicular. Okay. So how I'm going to hold it? I will hold it like this.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how I hold my pencil. You can push this part and make it 90-degree. And this is how I'm going to hold my brush. How it would be from here, 2 fingers for holding
Okay.
the brush, 1 finger at the bottom of this metal part. Okay. So this would be the handling position and the angle would be like this. Okay. So
Okay.
when I'm going to stroke, so it would be starting from this point and like this. Okay. So this is how I'm going to hold my
मैम
brush.
वीडियो ना अटक रहा है. आज ना
क्या?
वीडियो अटक रहा है.
ओके, मैं थोड़ा
हेलो.
स्लो करती हूँ. आप थोड़ा सा होल्ड करो फिर सही रहेगा, क्योंकि इंटरनेट तो सही है यहाँ पे. इंटरनेट का कुछ इशू नहीं है. मैं थोड़ा स्लो करती हूँ तो आपके पास सही टाइम पर आएगा डेटा। ठीक है, ओके। नाउ लोड कैसे करना है ब्रश को, हाउ टू लोड द ब्रश विथ कलर। Okay, this is my second step. So for that, you will take some color. Okay, any color of your choice you can take. Like not necessarily the one that I am taking. Any color of your choice.
थोड़ा अटक रहा है तो हमारा अटक रहा है कि किसका अटक रहा
अभी भी अटक रहा है?
है? हाँ जी, मैंने अभी ठीक कर रही हूँ उसको।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक कर लो। Okay, once you are ready, do let me know, then we will start.
जी।
Okay, all right. So this is bowl of water. I dipped my brush here. Okay, I will keep it for like 2 seconds. So this is my brush, it is in the water. Now I'll take any
ओके।
rough cloth. This is any rough cloth, cotton cloth which can absorb water.
मैम 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 एक मिनट, एक रफ क्लॉथ दे देना प्लीज। आपने 8 नंबर ब्रश लिया ना मैम?
हाँ, 8 number round brush. Any brush number 6, 8, 10, 12, any is okay for today. I'm just making you practice the strokes today and we will create a small pattern.
ये भी बंद कर देना।
Okay. So now, ready?
यस।
Okay. So this is my wet brush. It is still dripping water, you see. I will put it very gently on my cotton cloth. I'm not going to squeeze it like this. No, this is wrong, completely wrong. We are
Okay.
not supposed to do this. So if I have my brush and it is dripping water, so I will just dam it and removing the excess water out of my brush. Okay.
मैम वीडियो ना बहुत स्टक हो रहा है। मैंने तो अपना चेक चेक कर लिया, मेरा पूरा आ रहा है।
ओके, यहाँ पे नेटवर्क का तो कुछ इश्यू नहीं है दिख रहा मुझे। मे बी मैं 1 मिनट में मोबाइल नेटवर्क पे आके देखती हूँ, हो सकता है उससे कुछ इम्प्रूव हो जाए। ओके, अभी बेटर है? चलो देखते हैं। वी विल लुक लाइक आफ्टर 5 minutes अगेन आई विल आस्क।
इसको बड़ा करूँ? वीडियो ना बहुत अटक रहा है अभी भी। पता नहीं क्या चक्कर हो रहा है। ये मेरे हमारी तरफ से तो ठीक है।
ओके, मैं अभी मोबाइल नेटवर्क पे आ गई, तो अब ये देखो
तो
अगर आपको अभी
नेटवर्क
सही लग रहा हो
नींबू
तो।
वगैरह भी देख लेना, सही पाएगी।
ओके, शुड वी स्टार्ट?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
So now my brush is damp. It is not dripping water, but it is also not dried. Correct? So to load my brush, what I will do, I will start pressing my brush in the color. So you see, I'm pressing my brush in the color and both the sides. So from the first side, first I pressed, then the second side I pressed. Why I am doing so? Because I want every bristle of my brush to have the color in it. We are going to give one stroke. So in that stroke, I don't want any color is like any brush.
फिर अटक रहा है यार।
Yes, any. Okay. Then we will squeeze it. So what I'm doing it, squeezing it, like turning my brush round to get the excess color out of it. And again doing the same. I will press my brush so
Yes.
that every bristle should have the color in it. And
Okay.
again squeeze it to get the excess color out of my brush. And again do it. So I need, for the first time when I am loading the fresh brush, then I need to do it like 4 or 5 times. So have proper color in your brush, like good amount of color, squeeze it to get the excess color out of it and then reload it. Okay, load. So I did 4 or 5 times like this. Now when I will give the stroke, I don't need to do it again. So it will be like doing it first for the first load 2-3 times and then 1 time for after every stroke. Okay, so this
Okay.
is my brush is loaded, completely loaded with brush. Okay, now how we are going to stroke? For learning the stroke, what we are going to do, we will create some small lines. Let's say create 4 or 5 lines. Okay, so now get the center point of those lines. Okay, this we are practicing that we are going to do it in mind later on. So we are practicing it so that you know what I am doing. So that's why we are creating this center points. What would be the purpose of this center point? I'll let you know.
मैम पेन से मार लूं?
हाँ पेन से मार लो. Okay, done.
हाँ जी.
Okay. So now we are going to hold the brush. I told you how we are going to hold it. 90°. Okay. And we will start from this point. So I will put my brush here. I will drag it. Now you don't do it. Just listen the instruction and see how I am doing it. So I will press it and press it to like all the bristles till I have the colors. They are now on the paper. Now I will press it and drag it. Okay. As soon as I feel that I have reached to the center of my line, I will start removing it slowly, and I will go till the end of my brush. Okay, so now one more important thing to remember. As soon as I reach to the center part of my line at this point, what I am going to do, while I release my brush, I will also twist it little bit. Maybe the twisting would be little difficult for today, but it will come gradually. You just start releasing the bristles, like move your hand up, so that when you reach to the end of this line, you will have only your bristles touching the paper. Okay, so we need to
Okay.
slowly remove it. So let us do it. Let's make this more practice for the same. Next time when I will load my brush, so it is like doing just this much and it is done. Let us again put my brush here, press it hard and start releasing it down, start releasing it. And show me if you are able to do it. Any way you can write, like place your brush for now, but the ideal way is, this is my brush, so I will start keeping it like this. Okay, I will not keep my brush like this. I will keep it like this. So press, reach to the center, start releasing up, 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 and you have to go very, very slow, like almost like a tortoise. Are you able to do it, Sheetal ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you show me?
Yes, I don't know how to show it.
Okay, just turn on the camera and place your like book on in front of it.
Just a second.
Okay.
I'm not able to see the Actually, I'm not habitual of doing.
No problem. So there must be a camera button.
Let me call
Yeah.
my son. No?
Okay, okay.
Where is the camera button? Okay. बेटा कैमरा ऑन करना, मुझे ये दिखाना है. इसको ऑन कर दूं, ये वाला जो है, इसको ऑन कर दूं. हाँ.
Good. Now, okay, very good. Yes. So strokes are coming good. We need to control the pressure. Okay, let's do it again.
Okay.
So Sheetal ma'am, what we are supposed to do when we are going to apply the pressure, it needs to be consistent throughout the complete petal. Okay,
Okay.
and it should remain same. The more we press it, more wider the petal would become. Okay.
Okay.
If I press less, then it will be like a small petal. With the same brush, if I press more, then I will have a wider petal. So we need to maintain the pressure. If we need, say, if we practice maintaining pressure, what will happen? So if I know that with my 8-number brush, I can create this wider petal and it would be same every time because I have maintained my pressure. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
लेकिन मैम, ये जैसे बीच में ब्रश ड्राई हो रहा है, तो
Mhm.
उसको मैं कैसे करूं? ये ब्रश ड्राई हो.
देखो एक्रेलिक कलर्स है तो आप पहली बात तो फैन कम हो, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है.
फैन तो बंद
एक्रेलिक
है
कलर
मैम.
जल्दी ड्राई हो जाते हैं. और इसके बाद आप जब पानी लोगे तो जस्ट टिप पे टच करना है, दिस मच,
Okay.
लाइक सी हाउ मच आई डिड,
ये देखिए.
ओनली द टिप. हाँ, क्योंकि आपका कलर पूरा ड्रैग नहीं हो पा रहा है ना, तो उसके लिए आप ब्रश को लोड करो वापस से अच्छे से, स्क्वीज करो और रीलोड करो. ओके.
स्क्वीज मींस क्या है?
Squeeze means, see, like this, turning my brush, twisting it
ओके.
to get the excess color out of it. Okay. So if I do it more like this is my round brush and it get flattened from the front. So although it is round, but if you see, it is more like a flat brush.
ओके ओके ओके.
Correct? So we need to press
Flat it.
and flatten it so that my stroke would come perfect.
ओके 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 ओके.
And now we will try to maintain the pressure. So I can create even longer lines so that maintaining the pressure would be easier and finding out the center of these lines. From the center, as soon as we reach to the center, it means we need to start releasing the brush now. So I
Okay.
will keep my brush like this at the beginning of the line. Start pressing it, pressing it, pressing it, and drag it. Drag it. And now as I'm reaching to the center of my line, I will start releasing my brush. So I will reduce the pressure and keep on removing the bristles from the paper. And
Okay.
at the end, I will reach to the end like this.
आई थिंक मेरे को कलर लेना नहीं आ रहा उसमें.
आपका ब्रश हो सकता है डैम्प ना हो. So brush damp करने के लिए again leave the brush for 2 seconds in the water. If you feel your brush is like too dried, then completely wash it.
Okay, okay.
Okay. I will also do it so that you understand. Okay. So you see my brush is now dripping water. If I do it like this, then it is actually dripping water. Okay. What I'm going to do, I will take a rough cloth and just place my brush on it. So I don't want all the water to get out of it, but I also don't want the brush to drip water out of it. Okay. So now it is like wet brush, but it is not dripping water.
Okay, okay.
Okay, this much wetness we want in the brush. And then we can start loading it. How to load it? Like press the brush to have all the bristles of it loaded with color. Squeeze it to get the excess color out of it and then load it again for 3-4 times.
Okay.
And now I have flattened my brush. Let us do. So starting from the starting point, Sheetal ma'am, ready? Should we do
Yes.
it together? So follow the instructions, go very slow. Press from the center at the beginning of the line. Start dragging it. Drag, drag, drag. Very slow, very slow. Okay. Till you reach to the center of the line, start releasing the bristles from the paper. Little up, little up, little up, more up, more up. And at the end, we reach only this pointed edge.
Can you see?
Yes, perfect. The second last is very nice.
Thank you.
Okay. So let us do 4-5 more practice and then we will create the pattern. Will you do it with me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So reload the brush. After every petal, we are supposed to reload the brush. So
Okay.
reloading means like first reload means like doing like this for 4-5 times. Squeeze it and then do it. Squeeze it and then do it. For after every petal, you just need to do it like this 2 times. That's it. So
Okay.
that the upper part of anyway inside we already have the colors. The upper section has removed the color because it has now come on the paper. So only the upper part we need more color. That would come like loading it one more time. Bas.
Okay.
Okay, we will start from this line. So this section, will keep the brush here.
मैम
I
ये
will do.
पहले मुझे पॉइंट बनाना है तो मुझे ऐसे इस तरह का ब्रश रखना है जैसे आपने रखा है.
So, yes, so this is my brush. I will start from like this.
और फिर
This is
उसको
my
मूव
brush.
करना है
I will
हल्का
keep
सा.
it like
ठीक है.
this. हाँ,
ठीक है.
पॉइंट बनाना है तो लिटिल मूव करके फिर प्रेस करना है.
ठीक है.
Press, 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 and then start. Drag it till the center, and then start releasing it. Release, 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 and come to the end.
See?
Very good. Yes, now it's coming perfect. Okay, now another thing. Little enhancement in the same. You see how I'm doing it? This is okay. This is where my text is written, correct?
G.
This is the point where my text is written on the brush. So when I am pressing it, dragging it, as soon as I start releasing it, just focus on the text, how it is twisting. So I start twisting the brush little bit slowly. And you see,
Okay, this is bit difficult.
little difficult, but it will come. Go very, very slow. Like if I am doing this slow, you go 2 times slower than me. Then you will be able to twist it. If you are able to twist it, you will have a very fine pointed edge at the end.
Okay,
Try
let me
it
try.
and go very slow, like very, very slow. As slow
I
as
have
you
to
can.
twist it from left to right.
So if you have hold your brush like this, so it is going to be like this.
Left to right. Okay.
And only after you reach to the end, it's like half of, while dragging, you cannot twist.
Okay,
While
okay.
releasing only, when you start releasing, then you twist it little bits and start removing your bristles from the paper. Let us do it one more time. Press it, come down, down, down. From the center, start
It was
releasing,
difficult.
releasing, releasing. So what this twisting gives us, this twisting gives us a smooth removal of the bristles from the paper. If you are able to do it without twisting it, then also it is good. It will come gradually, like it's first day. So it will be tough, I know. So
Okay,
you see, if I don't twist it, I will have this kind of end, right?
okay,
The blurry end. But if I twist it, I will have a very sharp end.
okay,
That would be the difference. This is without twisting and this is with twisting. So it will come with practice. Not
I
to
will
worry at
practice.
all. Yes, you
Let's see
practice it.
this one, first one.
Yeah. So what you did, so hold, see, you reached to the half. That was perfect. Okay. But
Hmm.
when it was time to start releasing, you removed it quickly. So there is a gap created, like it got like this.
Okay, okay, okay,
So
okay.
this hench will come only when you release the brush quickly. That we are not supposed to do. We need to hold to the consistency of our speed and very slowly we need to do it. Let's create 5 more lines and practice more. Mark the center so that you know from where you start releasing. And start from here. Press it, drag it. Now start releasing it slowly, slowly, slowly. See here, I have also dragged it, like removed it very fast. So I have this hunch created, right? So if I will not, I will go very, very slow, then this hunch will not come. Go slow, very slow. And in your mind, you can keep on saying like, press it, drag it, reach to the center, start releasing it, slowly come down and release. Press it, you see, press it, start releasing, slow, slow, and come down. You can always re-stroke on the same stroke, no problem at all.
Okay.
Sometimes we need to correct the shape of the petal. We can always re-stroke it, no problem at all. Let us do it one more time. Sheetal ma'am, do it with me.
Yes.
Once you are ready with your
एक
brush,
second.
yes, you let me know.
Yes, let's start.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay. So keep your brush at the edge of this line, drag it little bit and press it. Press it till your bristles are, all the painted bristles should be on paper. So this much pressure you need to apply. Now drag it. Drag it by, my bristles are still pressed and I'm dragging it. Now when I reach to the center, now I start removing it. Removing slowly, slowly from the paper. Very slow. And reach to the,
See, ma'am.
So you see, let it, the stroke is completely perfect. It has little hinge here, like your leaf petal is like this, correct?
Yes.
So this is coming because of the, either you apply little pressure from this side and the pressure is not aligned at the center, or while removing the brush, you like pushed it little more force so that it has come, the bristles from here should have dragged like this, correct? So these
Okay.
are not dragged here. So what could be done? So first thing, load the brush properly. Second thing, when we say release the pressure, so it does not mean that you have to release it completely. You have to still press it and start releasing it very subtle, like um, what we say, with the start from 0.5 mm remove, like very 0.5 removal of the pressure, and then 0.5 and then 0.5, it's something like this. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, it is mandatory to um, move the brush from left to right, or we can move it from right to left also.
If you are comfortable from right to left, that's also fine. So the removal, like twisting the brush, gives you the smooth edge.
Okay,
This.
let's try once more.
With twist.
Yes.
Okay, this time don't give a center line. Like don't
What
give this
will be the
one.
length of the line? on which we are painting? What should
For
be
me,
the length of the
how would
line?
how would I measure it? It is like 2 sections of my finger, this big.
Actually, mine is a bit long.
Okay, no problem at all.
Okay,
So
let's
for
start.
taking, if you feel your brush is little dried, how to take the water with the acrylic? So it is like just touching the point, uh, tip of the brush with water. So it is like this, just
Okay.
this. Okay. With acrylics, we don't need much water. Okay. So I'm flattening my brush and let us start. So you have the center marked. So you understand that you need to drag it till center before releasing the pressure or before start releasing the pressure. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So we will keep the brush at the start of my line. Drag it, press it hard so that all the bristles with the paint on it are on the paper. Now drag it. Drag, 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 drag till the center. As soon as we reach to the center, then we start releasing the pressure. If possible, also twist it. So it is not like twisting at once. It is like very subtle and very slow. Very, very slow.
Yes.
You can always correct the stroke later if needed. Show me.
I will show. मैम वही ग्लिच आ रहा है जो बार बार आ रहा है ना वही.
Okay.
See?
So it will get covered up with practice. Yes. So when it is only because when we are start releasing, at that time we are just it is in our mind that we need to release it now. Okay.
Okay.
So just don't think that okay we are going to release it. Just start picking up the bristles from the paper very, very slow. So if I have this much length to pick my bristles, I can even go very slow, and then also at the end I will not have much bristles on the paper, right? So we need to
Okay.
go very, very slow. Let's do it again. So I'll keep the brush here. Let me twist the camera so that it is more visible. Okay. So I've been keeping the brush here. Press it hard so that all bristles of are on the paper. Now drag it, drag it, drag it till the center. Now I am not going to remove suddenly. I will go very, very slow and start releasing. See how my bristles are picking up from the paper. Very, very slow. More control on the brush.
I think this time it is better.
Yes, very good. It is not better, it is perfect. Very
Thank
nicely
you.
done.
Thank you.
Okay. So, what you did this time, you must have gone very slow, correct?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, we need to go very, very slow. In the starting, it is like training our mind to do something like this. So, go very slow. Let's do 4, 5 more practice. It is completely okay if we just practice today, like not necessary to create a pattern. Creating a pattern is very simple if we are able to make the perfect strokes.
Okay. This time, this is bit.
Yes, it is good. And you twisted also, correct? This time?
Yeah, I twisted.
Yes. So you see, there is a difference. You have a very sharp edge at the end. So practice twisting 2, 3 more times. And slowly you'll have better control on the hand.
Yes, now it is better.
It coming better. Okay, good. So let's create a pattern,
Okay.
a floral card. For that, you can take your bangle and create a circle. Or if you are okay, you can also create a circle with your free hand. Take the center.
Wait, ma'am, wait.
Okay, wait.
Freehand circle. Okay. I have this.
Yeah, this is just a guiding circle for us. We will remove it in some time.
But I have pen.
Then it's okay for practicing, it's fine. But next tomorrow
No,
onwards,
I
you
have
take
a
pen.
pencil too, but wait for a second.
You need eraser as well.
Okay. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to start. We created a circle. This is my center. So I am trying to sketch some lines so that it is easier for me to draw the pattern. So I am going to give a plus sign here.
Okay.
and then I will give a cross sign here.
Okay. You are doing this with free hand.
Yes, you can use a scale also.
Okay. Done.
Okay, create a small circle at the center. So this would be the places where I'm going to create my stroke, and this should reach till the center here. So this would be the length.
Okay. मैम वीडियो अटक गया है.
अभी भी अटका हुआ है.
अब ठीक है, अब ठीक है.
अच्छा. Okay. So this is my line, and this is my center part of the line. Okay.
Okay.
So you just keep it in mind. We don't need to draw centers now. We have practiced enough. And we can very well remove this circle. We don't need this circle anymore. We know the length. So why we have created this circle? We will create circles in almost every flower. This is so that we will have our uniformity in the petals. So our petals
Okay.
will not go like one big, one small. So we will not have that.
Okay, 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 okay.
This on these with one color. Then in between these two lines, we will give another stroke from this. But that we will do it later.
Okay.
So this would also be another strokes here. Okay. So for that we will use another color. Whichever color you feel like you can use. So I'm going to use magenta and a lighter one, a pink or something.
दोनों कलर्स प्लेट में निकालूं?
Well, one by one.
Okay.
Whichever color you are going to use right now, that color only take out it, the palette. Okay. Same brush. Again,
Yes.
you know how to damp it, how to get your brush ready with not excess water and no less water. Let's load it. Load it properly. At least 3-4 times. Squeeze it and reload it. Squeeze it and reload it. If my bristles are having proper moisturizer or proper water in it, proper color loading, then my stroke will automatically come perfect. Okay, let us start.
Yes.
This is my area. Okay, not
Yes, yes.
to the center. This is my area. So let us start creating the petal. Right. So since it is circle or a front facing flower, if you see the perspective of the flower, it is like someone is looking in exactly in the front. Okay, this is a front facing flower. All the petals would look equal, and we can keep on rotating so that the strokes would come perfect.
Ma'am, my circle is bigger than you.
It's fine, no problem. So you know, till the center you need to drag, and as soon as you reach towards to the center of the line, you start releasing the pressure.
Yes.
Every time after every stroke, you need to reload the brush once. Okay. Keep on rotating whichever way feels best to your hand. You can rotate the copy and give the stroke. Very, very slow. As slow as possible. After every stroke, we need to load the brush. Since we are using one color now, so loading you may feel that why do we need to load the color, but when we start using two colors, when we start taking ombre on the brush, then you will feel that yes, loading was important. So keep it in your practice that we need to load the brush after every stroke.
Okay.
Once you are done, you can show me.
Yes. Sure.
Done? Very good. So the later like this down petal, which is like little bit weird, very thin, you can restroke on it and make it more wider.
Okay.
Restroke on the same, exactly on the same line, so that it will become more wider. Okay. And now, important thing to remember, as I said, uh, we the more pressure we apply at the center, the more we push the brush down, it will have a wider petal, right? Now, since if I have a bigger circle than this, like the one you have, so
Okay.
on that bigger circle, I may also use 12 number brush or 10 number brush.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so it will have more bristles, so that the depth or this shape of my petal would be even more wider. So if
Okay.
since because your circle is more wider, more big, and the bristles are less small, or the brush number is small, so it will have little more gap between two petals, right? So
Yes.
anyways, we are going to use one more color tomorrow, so this gap will cover up. But just to let you know that we can still use 12 number or 10 number brush for the wide bigger circles.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right. So we'll continue tomorrow on the same. I hope you
Okay.
enjoyed the session and you
Yeah. Yeah.
learned
It was
something
great
new.
experience.
Okay. Good.
Uh,
And you
Ashna,
plan. Yes.
maybe tomorrow is difficult for me to join, but I will try my level best to join as I shared with you my problem.
Yes, I know.
Okay, tomorrow is Sunday. Maybe
Yes.
this Sunday, next Sunday, I will try to manage it.
Okay, no problem. So
Maybe I will
anyways,
connect
you,
with you tomorrow also, but I'm not sure.
yeah, okay, no problem. No problem. Okay.
You will
All
get the
right.
recording of this video?
Yes, yes. I have recorded it, so I will share it in like within 2 hours.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Right.
It was a
Thank
great
you.
experience, Ashna. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.